Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your Sengled smart bulbs using Sengled app. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Sengled app on your smartphone. Ensure your smart bulbs are powered on. Begin by tapping on the devices option at the bottom of the screen. Locate the bulb you want to restore in the list of connected devices. Tap on the bulb to access its settings. Look for the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Select the Remove Device option to disconnect the bulb from your account. Confirm the removal by tapping Yes or Confirm. Next, reset the bulb to its factory settings. To reset, turn the bulb off and on quickly 5 times. You should notice the bulb flashing to indicate it is in pairing mode. Return to the Sengled app. Tap on the Add Device option. Choose the type of bulb you are reconnecting. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect the bulb to your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, you may customize the bulb settings as desired. Test the bulb by using the app to turn it on and off. Congratulations! You've successfully restored your Sengled smart bulb. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.